We made it to New Mexico. Super excited about it. Whole new city. Lots of things to check out. First thing we're checking out today is this. The Spaceship House. So this thing is super awesome. Apparently it was built in 1983.
Yeah, this is really cool. I don't know why he made it this way, but it's pretty neat and definitely very intentional the way that they made it.
Absolutely. A lot of detail. Everything looks like cut pieces of metal, like small pieces of metal assembled together to make like these sculptures and stuff. So really beautiful house.
Yeah, if you come here, it's literally someone's house, so don't be creeping up on them too much. We're trying to sort of steer clear and not be rude.
Yeah, kind of cool though. It looks like they set it up so you could come up to the sculptures and stuff, so they're sharing it with the community, it seems. If not, sorry guys. We just saw a roadrunner run across the road. Yes!
Freezing.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
It's like 24. It's not too bad, but
freezing.
So that was super cool, checking out the house. We're both hungry though, because we haven't eaten much today. So we're gonna go Old Towne, try to find some good grub. So we're gonna go check that out in just a minute. So I picked up the Bosque Lager. It's a local lager. We're gonna try it out. It's tasty. It's very clean, very light. We're at Backstreet Grill in Old Towne. And I got a green chili burger coming. So excited. Amy got some gumbo. It's on its way too. Can't wait.
It's really good. A little spicy, but everything's a little spicy to me, so.
Super tasty burger. The green chilies taste super fresh. Not really spicy to me, just like got that extra flavor. Crazy tasty.
I don't usually eat gumbo or soups really, but this is really good. There's shrimp in here, which I ate. There's some sausage in here too, and avocado, which sort of neutralizes the spiciness. And who doesn't love tortilla chips, both in their soup and also on their plate? Not really sure what I'm supposed to do with this, but I'm kind of using it to cool down my mouth, so it's working really well. Not sure that's why, but beans, corn, some really good stuff in here, so very soft Western feeling.
So we were walking along and we found this really cool little antique shop here in Old Towne Albuquerque, and my brother is a huge history buff, especially with presidential history, and his birthday's coming up, so I've been looking for something, and when we went in I found this, which is super cool, and it's an original pin from Kennedy when he was commanding one of the boats in World War II, and this is one of the pins they would wear from like JFK when he was actually in the Army though, or probably in the Navy. But I don't know as much history as him, so he'll correct me. But I found this for him, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna send it to him. But just super cool that you can walk around and find these kinds of treasures when you just wander into a shop.